AI is one of the most talked about technologies in the world, but with hype comes misinformation. In this video, I'll break down the 5 biggest myths about AI and what's really true, not true. AI is replacing tasks, not entire professions. While some jobs will disappear, new ones are being created just as fast, from AI trainers to automation specialists. The future isn't about no jobs, it's about new jobs. AI doesn't think, feel, or have consciousness. It predicts. It generates based on data patterns. It can mimic intelligence, but it doesn't truly understand. AI makes mistakes. In fact, it can be confidently wrong. That's because it doesn't know truth. It only knows probability. Always fact-check AI outputs. Wrong. Tools today are built for everyone. Students, small business owners, content creators. You don't need a computer science degree to use AI effectively. Doom headlines get clicks, but reality is more complex. AI is powerful, yes, but it's still just a tool. How it impacts humanity depends on how we use it. So here's the truth. AI is powerful, but it's surrounded by myths that make people either fear it or underestimate it. The more you understand what AI is and what it's not, the better prepared you'll be for the future. Which AI myth do you hear the most? Drop it in the comments and let's talk. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Insight for weekly deep dives into AI, tech, and the future of work.